Okay, here we are in one of the offices here. We see the jack right down here. It's labeled 11. That is going to be network, I believe. Hopefully the lighting will be down. Oh, it's labeled 11. Looks like there's 2 Telco on top and 2 RJ45 at the bottom. So, boy, I hope that's going to be labeled right. So, we can use the tone and probe that we talked about in the other video. I put the battery in this. I'm going to actually just assume that it's labeled, or that the labeling's right. If not, we'll have to tone it, probe it. So what I'm going to do is just put this wire map adapter on it, and all that does, just to let you know, when you use these, it just tests the pairs. So it'll let you know if something's open. So if you go here, see the wire map shows all 8 pairs. I always say that 8 wires, 4 pairs. All wires are good. They all match up. Okay, if some were crossed, it would actually flash at you and tell you what's crossed and so forth. Or if you're testing a long run, you use the wire map adapter and this. Pretend this is a 100-foot cable run, you know, and you get the same effect because the cable's good. So we're gonna put this bad boy down here. Plug it in the bottom one. I don't know, make sure it's in there good. Number 11, remember that. And we'll go see what's up down there and try to find it. Number 11. I have this new Contour, you can probably see my shadow. I have this crazy headband looking thing on. It's the Contour Roam 2. Just picked it up. I was using my iPhone, but this thing has a headband, so I can actually video stuff without, you know, and I mean, hopefully it'll come out better. I am dressed in blue jeans and a sweatshirt. It's Sunday night. I'm doing this kind of because they were moving in over the weekend, so I don't normally dress like this when I go to a client's. Okay. So we just need a patch cable. Sounds like a modem's dialing. Crazy things going on. So anyway, that was number 11. Ooh, we've got 11C11D. Well, I'm going to assume. Remember what assuming means, never assume, but 11D that would be so cool if that worked. And it does, you see that? All the pairs match up. So, just to show you, if we go into, you know, just any other place, it's obviously open. It even says open there. It's not going to show. So, those are matched up, or they're at least labeled with marker. It shows me that that wire run is good. All 8 wires, 4 pair, are lining up, matching up, so that's awesome. It can do a different mode. It has a TDR function like this time domain, so it's showing 29 feet, 28 feet. I guess it sends a pulse through and gets it back, and somehow how long it takes records roughly how long that wire run is. So it's a pretty cool feature. There's the tone, and then back to the wire map. This and the tone is the one that we use the most because, you know, that's how you test patch cables. So that is good. So we will assume now that the other numbers are actually correct. That would be make my day so much awesome. Otherwise, what we would have to do is put this device upstairs, put it on signal, and it's generating a tone right now, and then using our thing we talked about the other day, the probe, and you can change there's different, see there's different signals and so forth, but we would have to use that to try to find it. So what we would do is we'd plug this upstairs, put it on tone, come down here with this, and literally tone out every single, you know, stick it right in the jacks there, every single one, and until it started making that sound, and in this case it would make it here. So it, you know, once you got closer, it'd get louder. Then once you got here, it would actually start making that tone, and that means that this is the other end of it. So that's how you find stuff and identify where it goes in the patch panel. All right, onward to step B. Awesome.